Your Proace 2 uses Bluetooth to communicate wirelessly with your phone. This enables hands-free features and audio streaming without cables. The system supports specific Bluetooth profiles that define how devices interact. HFP handles hands-free calling, allowing you to make and receive calls through the car's speakers. A2DP enables high-quality audio streaming for music and podcasts directly from your phone to the car's sound system. Most smartphones from 2015 onwards are compatible with the Proace 2's Bluetooth system. These devices support the necessary protocols for reliable connection. Older phones might lack Bluetooth Low Energy, or BLE, which optimizes battery life and connection stability. For best performance, use a newer device. Before pairing, ensure Bluetooth is enabled on your phone and the vehicle is in accessory mode. This prepares both devices for a successful connection. Follow these steps to pair your smartphone with your Toyota Proace II. First, insert the key into the ignition and turn it to accessory mode, but do not start the engine. Navigate to the settings menu on the car's touchscreen, then select Phone or Bluetooth and choose Add Device. Open your phone's settings, turn on Bluetooth, and scan for nearby devices. Look for your Toyota Proace II in the list of devices and select it. Enter the PIN shown on the car's display into your phone and confirm the pairing on both devices. Once your smartphone is paired with the Toyota Proace II, you can start streaming audio. First, select the Proace II as the audio output device in your phone's Bluetooth settings. This enables high-quality streaming through the car's speakers using the A2DP profile. On your phone, go to Bluetooth settings and ensure the Proace II is connected. Then, set it as the audio output for apps like Spotify or podcast players. With the connection active, stream music or podcasts directly to the car's speakers. The audio plays through the vehicle's sound system for an immersive experience. Use the car's touchscreen or steering wheel controls to manage playback. The AVRCP profile allows you to play, pause, skip tracks, and adjust volume without touching your phone. If pairing fails, ensure Bluetooth is enabled on both devices. Try deleting previous pairings and repeating the process. Software updates can also resolve compatibility issues. Visit your Toyota dealer or check the Toyota website for the latest firmware updates for your infotainment system. Higher trim levels of the Toyota Proace II support Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. These advanced systems mirror your smartphone's interface directly on the car's display. Apple CarPlay works with iPhones, while Android Auto is designed for Android devices. Both provide access to navigation, music streaming, and messaging through a familiar interface. For example, Apple CarPlay displays your iPhone's apps like Maps, Music, and Messages on the car's touchscreen. Android Auto similarly mirrors Google Maps for navigation and music controls. You can stream music through apps like Spotify. While some features work via Bluetooth, full app mirroring on older Proace 2 systems requires a USB connection. A wired CarPlay USB dongle can enhance compatibility. These features make driving safer by keeping your attention on the road while accessing essential phone functions. The automotive industry is shifting towards seamless smartphone integration, and the Toyota Proace II reflects this trend. Newer Proace 2 models are increasingly offering wireless CarPlay and Android Auto, enabling cable-free smartphone integration. This allows features like voice control, Bluetooth 5.0, music playback, and navigation directly from the car's touchscreen. Future updates will include improved voice assistant integration with Siri and Google Assistant for hands-free commands. This reduces driver distraction and allows natural voice commands for navigation, calls, and music control. Potential 5G connectivity will provide real-time updates, faster data transfer, and enhanced telematics for fleet management. This connects devices seamlessly in urban and rural environments, supporting IoT applications. Overall, these trends make the Proace 2 a modern, connected van perfectly suited for logistics and commercial applications. Keep your phone's operating system updated for optimal Bluetooth compatibility. Regular software updates from Apple or Google improve pairing stability and fix known issues with the Toyota Proace 2's infotainment system. Avoid pairing multiple devices simultaneously to prevent connection conflicts. The Proace 2's Bluetooth system works best with one smartphone connected at a time, reducing interference and ensuring stable audio streaming. If you experience frequent disconnections, try resetting your car's infotainment system. Navigate to the Settings menu, select Factory Reset for Bluetooth, and repair your device. This often resolves software glitches and restores reliable performance. Following these tips will ensure a reliable Bluetooth experience in your Toyota Proace II, keeping you connected safely while driving.